Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. Today we are making a very berry sobolo drink. Sobolo is made out of hibiscus flower. So we're just adding these berries to increase the antioxidants in the drink. I call it the very berry sobolo drink. The main ingredient we need is hibiscus flower. All right, this is how it looks like. It's dried, and that's what you need. Blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, organic raw honey, cloves, into a saucepan. I'm going to go ahead and pour the hibiscus flower, add water, and boil. Give it a mix. I'm going to add a little bit more water. There we go. Cover and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the quantity of your hibiscus flower. So at this point, the mixture has been simmering for the past 15 minutes, and I just turned off the stove. So we're going to go ahead and strain the mixture. Friends, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and pour some of the fruits into a blender. Alright friends, our mixture has cooled off well, and we're going to use part of the liquid to blend the fruits. Close the blender and blend. So after straining, this is how it looks like. See how it looks very smooth? Yes, this is what you're looking for. So we're now going to add the berry mixture to the hibiscus flower mixture. At this point, you can go ahead and sweeten it with any sweetener of your choice. I'm using honey for this. Friends, our very berry sobolo drink is ready. It's filled with nutrients, antioxidants, and healthy for your body. It's a disease fighting drink. You cannot go wrong with this drink. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll catch you in the next one. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you like it. It helps the video go far. All right? And until we see you again in another one, stay blessed. Bye.